My name is Savvy from Savvy Crafts. Today we will be making a reader response mobile. It is how you show your understanding of a book. What you need is stick, yarn, scissors, and creativity. Now let's pause and think of a book you have recently read. If you need more time, please pause the video. Okay, now my example is Little House on the Prairie by Laura Ingalls Wilder. The book is about a young girl and her family who lived in the 1800s and in the wilderness. Now, let's think of 5 themes or main ideas that make you think of your book or that the author wants you to think of the book. Then, after you come up with those 5 things, create or draw 5 things to represent them. After you have made your objects, you will tie them to your stick. For my examples, first, the butter churn. It represents hard work and how they had to make their own food. They couldn't just go to a grocery store and buy it like we can today. The second one, the dog, to represent protection because they lived in the wilderness and they needed to protect themselves. Third, the tree, to represent nature. The nature represents how they lived in wilderness and had to learn to survive in the wild. The third one, a ragged doll made by myself to represent how the kids had to make their own toys and find things to do. It also is symbol of hard work, but in a different way. The final one is 2 houses separated to represent family, to show that even if they are miles apart, they are still close at heart. Now, we take our final strip of string right here, and we're gonna tie it to both ends of our stick. Now that you have done that, there you go. You have a reader response mobile. Thank you for watching Savvy Crafts. Keep on crafting. Bye.